9 stories at 9 o'clock. The November election is just 2 weeks from tomorrow, but in Florida, voting began today. The CW55's Catrice Nolan went to see how the first day went for early voters and election administrators.
Maybe 10 minutes.
2 minutes of my time.
Oh my goodness, it took me less than 5 minutes.
10 minutes, 5 or 2. The time it takes to early vote has been short in Escambia County. Just in its first day in Florida, election supervisor David Stafford says it started off well.
It's been very brisk. We were expecting it to be busy, but it's probably exceeded our expectations.
With the voter registration deadline extended, people took advantage and seem to be taking advantage of the polls being open.
209,000 registered voters, and we're still adding people to the rolls because they extended that registration deadline out a week. And so it seems like there's a lot of interest, and we want to provide every opportunity there is for people to go out and cast their ballot.
Voters we talked to say the sooner the better.
And now with the extended time that that we've been given and the ability to early vote, this was 2 minutes of my time to get in there and make this decision.
Obviously, we want to get in here really early and make sure our vote counts with the early poll numbers they're taking about, who's out front.
Vote while there wasn't any hustle and bustle, beat the big crowds and everything.
Because I want to be available on election day to drive people to the polls who don't have ready access, who may not have a car, who may not be able to afford to take a taxi to get to their polling place.
Great benefit, and I really appreciate early voting being open and available for people who have dynamic schedules.
And that is the aim of early voting.
It's anytime between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. any day of the week, including this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and then the following Saturday. So there should be a time that fits everyone's schedule.
Reporting in Pensacola, Catrice Nolan, the CW55 News at 9.
37 states and the District of Columbia have some sort of early voting this year.